We remain seriously concerned by the human rights situation in China, including in Hong Kong, Xinjiang and Tibet. In particular, the PRC law on promoting ethnic unity and progress adopted this year raises serious concerns of facilitating forced assimilation of minorities across China.
And we remain gravely concerned by human rights violations in Xinjiang and Tibet and the erosion of rights and freedoms in Hong Kong. We are concerned about the human rights implication of China's ethnic unity law. Noting the alarming 78% rise in executions globally in 2025, we call on all countries to abolish the death penalty in law and practice.
We are also concerned about the ethnic unity law in China and call for respect of the human rights of minorities.
4 years on from your office's Xinjiang assessment, China has not implemented its recommendations. Human rights violations in Xinjiang and Tibet continue. We support your efforts to understand the impact of the law on promoting ethnic unity and progress on ethnic and religious minorities.